Have you ever seen an Aso Oke style like this before? This one is different. Let me show you how I achieved it. I'm going to start by making pleats, like 3-4 pleats is fine because we are using 3 layers joined Aso Oke to create this, and the division for the material is going to be on equal division, which is 50-50. After making your pleats, like 3 to 4 pleats depending on you and how you can control your pleats, you're going to make sure that your pleat is well arranged and well aligned before you go cross the hand at the back.
By nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With fabrics flowing, colors bright, I'll guide your hands to tie just right.
After crossing the hand at the back, you're going to bring it forward like this. But before you place it on the previous pleat you make, you're going to stretch it out like this and make sure you collect all the pleats neatly and they are all well laid. What you do to first flap, you repeat it to the other flap. As a DIY person, you need something to assist you, and as you can see, my armpit is assisting me because I'm the only one in this room and I'll do it myself. So after I pleated both sides, I raise it and place it immediately after the last pleat I created, and I cross the hand left to right, right to left.
That's a fact. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine.
Wondering what is happening here? I'm here to explain. Calm down. So after crossing right to left, left to right, you have the flap and you're going to put one down, like you are pressing it down, and you're going to cross it with another using your pin to secure at the middle part. Now you have 4 edges. You have 4 edges automatically after doing that. What you have to do is grab your pin. You need a lot of pin for this wrap. So grab your pin and start pinning down the way you see me do on this video. I think I cannot give that explanation by mouth unless you watch this video carefully and you see exactly what is happening there. It's just like connecting those angles using your pin. I use office pin meanwhile, so all the 4 edges or angles or flaps that I have here are going to be joined together using my pin, using this method you are seeing me using on the screen. So guys, take your time and watch me carefully while doing this so that you can do your own by yourself and at the comfort of your home. So guys, I think I'll be stopping here. I will allow you to enjoy and see what is happening, and you're gonna learn. You guys, I hope this is helpful. You can rate this from 1 to 10 in the comment section. Do follow me for more simple headwrap by subscribing. It's absolutely free. Share this video to people that you think might need it. You can also send it to your stylist if you want him or her to do such for you. So guys, I'll see you on my next video. Enjoy the rest of the video. Peace out.
For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. With from morning's light to evening's glow, your jealous speaks of grace, you know. Confidence blooms, your style unique. In every wrap, a story speaks. Beauty by nature, where simplicity shines.